Ever wondered how your brain decides who to trust in just seconds? Let's dive into this mental magic show. Picture this. You're at a party, vibing to your favorite tunes, when someone new walks in. Instantly, your brain's like, friend or foe. But how does it decide so fast? The snap judgment. Our brains are wired for speed. In mere milliseconds, we assess facial expressions, body language, and even voice tone. The trust cocktail. Several ingredients mix into this trust smoothie. Facial features. A genuine smile can light up the trust centers in our brain. Eye contact. Locking eyes? That's a trust booster. Body language. Open posture? Come on in. Closed off? Maybe not. A real-life trust tale. Imagine meeting someone who avoids eye contact, crosses their arms, and gives curt replies. Your brain's alarm bells ring, signaling caution. Conversely, someone who smiles warmly, maintains eye contact, and has an open posture. Trust levels rising. The science behind its studies show that our brains have a trust network involving the amygdala and prefrontal cortex. These areas light up when we detect trustworthy cues. Trust hacks. Want to be seen as trustworthy? Try this. Be authentic. People can sense fakes. Maintain eye contact, but don't stare them down. Open body language. Uncross those arms and relax. Curiosity spark. Next time you meet someone, pay attention to your instant feelings. What cues are you picking up? It's your brain's trust radar in action. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of your mind.